Hello everyone and welcome to our another video. Another game of Manchester United is postponed. Manchester United vs Brighton postponed, but Premier League intends to continue fixture schedule where safely possible. Manchester United had 7 first team players available for Saturday's game against Brighton. 9 matches have been postponed this season due to COVID-19, but the Premier League intends to continue its current fixture schedule where safely possible. Manchester United's home game against Brighton on Saturday has been postponed due to a COVID-19 outbreak at the club. The Premier League made the decision to call off the matches based on guidance from medical advisors following a COVID outbreak among United squad and backroom staff. Training operations at the club's Carrington complex have also been suspended for a short period to help reduce the risk of further transmission. Manchester United upcoming fixtures are on December 30 against Burnley, January 3 against Wolves, January 10 and January 15 against Aston Villa. A club statement read, Manchester United can confirm that our Premier League fixture against Brighton schedule for Saturday 18 December at 12:30 has been postponed and will be rescheduled in due course. The health of players and staff is our priority. Given the number of players and support staff having to isolate due to COVID, the club had no option other than to request the match to be rearranged. The Premier League board took the decision to postpone based on guidance from medical advisors. We will also suspend football training operation at the Carrington training complex for a short period to help reduce risk of further transmission. In confirming the postponement of a second Manchester United match, a Premier League statement read, "It is with regret that this is the 4th Premier League fixture to have been postponed in the past week." Despite confirming 4 additional postpones on Thursday evening, the Premier League added, "The league understands fans will be disappointed these games have had to be postponed and apologies for the inconvenience and disruption caused. All other fixtures due to be played this weekend are currently scheduled to proceed as planned." Premier League has confirmed that the postponed matches of Manchester United will be played after